Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a legal path. Look for an official demo, guest mode, or public community bots that don't require sign-in. Once done, make sure your browser is updated and consider private or incognito mode to reduce stored data. If you prefer a persistent history, create a minimal account with a dedicated email. Otherwise, identify open platforms with similar AI characters. This approach protects your privacy while keeping you within terms, and it gets you into the experience immediately without risky workarounds. Next, explore viable alternatives and why they work. Use any platform-provided demos or public character showcases that are explicitly allowed to be accessed without logging in. If those aren't available, search for open-source or community-hosted AI chat projects that mirror character-style interactions. These often run without accounts. If a persistent profile is needed, use a throwaway email or secondary account to separate identity. Make sure to respect terms of service and to prefer official, transparent options for safety and reliability. Finally, complete setup by testing a character interaction and adjusting any available settings. Confirm responses and privacy options to suit you. If a feature fails, clear cookies and cache, try a different browser, or use a different network, because many access problems stem from local data or IP issues. If access is blocked or restricted, contact the platform's support or switch to a reputable alternative rather than attempting to bypass authentication. This keeps you functional and compliant while solving most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.